Hey guys, Beauty Blender just launched Boost, their 18-hour firming, soothing peptide ceramide primer, and this is exciting because an 18-hour primer, I'm all for that. I can't wait to try this on with you guys and test it out. We're gonna do it all today, so this is exciting. Let's dive right in. This is the packaging right here. It's all plastic. There's nothing luxe about it. This is good for 12 months. I'm not a huge fan of this, but I do like this applicator tip right here. So I think that's really nice. It's got a pink finish to it. This is $38 Canadian. It claims to have a cooling sensation to it. It does feel wet when you apply it to the skin. I don't feel like it's like cooling. It just feels like wet. Like it just feels wet to me. It doesn't feel insanely cool. Scent, watermelon. I feel like I'm picking up watermelon. Definitely watermelon and maybe like peony. It's nice though. It's not it's a very nice scent. It's not overpowering. It's just a beautiful scent. Honestly, like I can't wait to apply this to the skin because this does actually dry down quite tacky. I'm impressed with that compared to like my natural skin. Does it look blurring? It kind of looks the same on my hand, but we're going to try it on and test it out. Of course, I'm going to do this side of my face with the product, with the foundation, right? And then this side of my face, we're just going to do the foundation so you guys can see the difference. So for today, we're going to squeeze this out on the MAC palette to use it. I'm going to use a generous pea-sized amount, so there you go, pea-sized amount. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Now, to apply this, it says to use a beauty blender. So we've got one right here, and of course this is a dampened beauty blender. You guys know the difference, undampened, dampened, right? Go in with a damp beauty blender. Nothing too saturated with water because we don't want a lot of water with this, just something to really, make it blend into the skin. So I'm going to go in with the butt of the sponge and just tap that out. I'm just going to tap this on one side of my face. Smell is so good though. It just reminds me of summer. You guys know I don't like scented products, but I'm just like, yes, this is so good. Wish. This reminds me of the Wish smell. Their primer. But better for some reason. It's a really, really, oh my gosh, the smell is just amazing. I want this smell, Beauty Blender, I want this smell in like a body mist. That's what we want, right? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think if you do pick this up. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this product, just whatever I have left on my palette here, on the butt of my sponge. I'm going to go over my eyelid, under my eyelid, and on my ear. Now this blends out amazingly, but keep in mind that pea-sized amount did half my face. So go in with just a little bit more, probably the amount of 2 pea-sized amounts if you're going to do your whole face. Maybe not quite that much, but you guys got the picture. But this is nice. Does it feel cooling? No, it feels a little wet to me. Does it feel firming? Am I getting that vibe as it's drying down? No, I'm not really getting a firming vibe. It feels nice. It feels very hydrating on the skin. Now I am going to take my little fan here, just a little paper fan. We're just going to dry that down really quick. If I feel any firming anywhere, it's going to be like right here. It's just a little bit, which is great. Just, give that eye just a little bit of an instant lift. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario. I picked this one because it's a nice matte formula, and I really want to see if this will radiate through that. And it's a thicker formula. I just don't want to go in with too much, but I feel like this is a good one to test it out with. So 1 pump, that's all I use when I'm using this foundation. That's all he recommends, and frankly, 1 pump gives you an amazing, gorgeous coverage. Alright, I'm going to go in with a number 19 Natasha Denona brush. We're just going to stipple that on the brush. Now, I'm just going to apply this rough to my face, just like I would normally apply my foundation, and then I'll blend it out. I do find with the Makeup by Mario, it does dry down just a little bit faster. Alright, so I'm going to go in and blend this side first that has the primer. So far, it's not dragging. It's actually picking up really beautifully. I'm actually impressed how it's gripping to the primer. Honestly, This side is giving me glowing. It's giving me life. You're definitely getting that radiant vibe from this. This side is giving me that beautiful, soft, matte finish, but it's not looking as amazing as this side. Am I right? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. The side with the primer, it's just giving me life. It's putting life into that foundation, and I actually am living for it. Like, this is really pretty. I'm going to just add a little bit to my ear right here because I feel like I'm pulling a little red today. But, like, honestly, I'm shook. Like, this is amazing. I'm actually blown away. Now, I didn't want to read too many reviews on this, but the ones I did actually look at, everyone loved it. Oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, patchy, dry patches. Like, it worked for everyone. Now, I have sensitive skin, and I actually wore this yesterday because I was testing it out for you guys, and this is freaking amazing. Now, when it says 18 hours, this is phenomenal. Like, I love this. Like, the coverage is there. Your makeup stays put. Like, it is amazing. I was filming this week for Disney. Yes, fun. But, like, this stayed on all day. So this was amazing. I love this product. Would I recommend that you guys pick it up? Hands down, yes. Am I a huge fan of their foundation? Honestly, I have it. I don't reach for it. It's not one of my favorites. Like, I could list 20 other ones that I love more. But this product right here, this is phenomenal, and it is a must-have for the spring, summer. You guys are going to love it. This is giving that Patrick Star One Size primer a run for its money. Like, seriously, I love that, and I rave about that primer, but this one is amazing. Definitely check it out. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out right there. All right, guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Mwah. Bye.